Bafana Bafana were handed a timely reality check in their preparations for the 2026 FIFA World Cup, suffering a 2-1 defeat to Panama national football team in an international friendly at Cape Town Stadium on Tuesday night. The loss not only added Hugo Bros' unbeaten home record, but also exposed defensive frailties, particularly from set pieces, that could prove costly on the global stage. After a cautious and tightly contested first half, the match burst into life after the interval, with Panama capitalizing on Bafana Bafana's lapses at the back. Goalkeeper Ronaldo Lina, introduced at halftime in place of captain Ronwen Williams, enjoyed a difficult outing. He failed to hold on onto a shot from Ismail Days, allowing Jose Cordoba to pounce and fire the visitors into the lead. South Africa responded with renewed urgency, and their persistence paid off in spectacular fashion. Defender Mbekisi Limpokazi produced a moment of brilliance, cutting inside before unleashing a powerful strike to level matters and ignite the home crowd. But just as it seemed Bafana Bafana might salvage another draw following their earlier stalemate with Panama, their defensive vulnerabilities resurfaced. A poorly defended set piece allowed Jose Rodriguez to deliver a dangerous cross, which Ramos met with a decisive header to seal victory for the visitors. Earlier, the first half had been a cagey affair, with both sides showing defensive discipline. Panama threatened on the counter, with Diaz twice going close, while South Africa's creative spark came through Relebohile Mofokeng, who orchestrated attacks from midfield. However, clear-cut chances were squandered, notably by Lily Foster, whose struggles in front of goal continued. Bros attempted to shift momentum in the second half, introducing Tambazwane, Tapelo Maseko, and Oswin Aponis. The trio injected urgency into Bafana Bafana's play, with Evidence Mahopa coming close to turning the game around, narrowly missing with a header. Ultimately, however, Panama's efficiency in key moments proved decisive. With a high-profile World Cup opener against Mexico national football team looming at the iconic Estadio on June 11, Bros and his squad will be acutely aware that significant improvements are required, particularly in defending dead ball situations, if they are to compete against the world's best. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.